It's your boy LB again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make buzz shake effect, or just you can say beat kick effect. You can say whatever you want, just like this. So now let's get a job in Premiere Pro right now. So guys, this is my video clip. I'm going to add some buzz shake effect. So this is my music. Okay. So now after this, first I'm going to add an adjustment layer, because this adjustment layer is going to help me to add this kick shake. So now click here on new item, add an adjustment layer, then press OK. Drop it here on this timeline. So first I'm going to mark where I will put this buzz or kick shake. First is here, then after this click M to add this mark, okay? And then here click M. Then let me add another mark here. Another one here. Okay, so now for this adjustment layer, click here on double arrows, go here on effect, then search effect called directional blur. This directional blur, then drop it here on this adjustment layer. So now here I'm going to increase this blur length. You see, this is my blur length, how it is. Let me just put it 50. Okay, for here just you can add some direction of blur length, whatever you want, because you can put it here as an horizontal or vertical. Just you can choose whatever you want, but I just want my blur net to just like this. So now I'm going to extend this timeline. So now I'm going to jump 3 frames. Sorry, I'm going to jump 1 frame. Okay, cut here and then jump 1 frame, then cut, jump 1, cut, jump 1, cut, 1, cut, 1. Okay, so now let me delete this remaining one. I don't want it. So now as you see here, my effect, it will start where I will put the mark, you remember? So now let me delete this first one too. I'm going to jump 1 remains, then delete 1, jump this, then let me add the 4th one, then let me delete this stuff. So now let me pray. Let's how is it. Yeah, just guys, you see here, this is my buzz shake or kick effect. Okay, so now after this I'm going to select these layers and then hold Alt and then move where you will add a second mark. Let me do it. Let me add the side, the 4th mark. Okay, so now let me see how is it. Yes, you see. So now guys, I'm going to add another one. it is a bonus for you guys. Okay, you will understand where these stuffs which is moving fast, these kicks, this one. Okay, so now I'm going to add another effect. So now you have to extend this timeline. So now I'm going to click on this real footage. So now cut it and then jump one frame, cut, jump one, cut one frame by frame. Okay, so now after this you have to remove one frame, then you jump one, remove one, jump one, remove, just like this. So now after I'm gonna play and let me see how is it. Okay, just like this one. So now let me add another here, this way. Okay, let me cut frame by frame, and I have to jump to the right one, jump one, just like this. Okay, yeah, let me do to the last one, frame by frame. Okay, the right one, the main is one. Okay, so now let me play the whole video. Let me see how is it. Yeah. Guys, here you can add some more kick effect. Just let me duplicate this stuff. Okay, just like this, you can add more, whatever you want. Depend how your depend how your beat is. Okay, you see, let me add some other one here. Okay, yeah, that is it, guys. This is how you can add some buzz or shake effect in your video clip. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe man, and drop your comment down below. I just want your feedback. Okay, so I'll see you in next video.